Guys, every day I've been cutting in my hair. Today ain't no different.
Then get up, get dressed. Before work's off my list. What's left to do?
All right, guys, we are about to jump right into this. This morning, I decided to get up and cut my hair. So I know I like wearing my hair going into a V, going into the back. So what I am doing now is I'm just going to do it Regina's way. I am parting my hair off in little sections and I'm cutting my hair. Now, I always told you guys that I really don't want to keep the sides or the back because I don't like hair growing over my ears. And I'm getting back familiar with how to, hold the scissors and the clippers and the liners. So I know what you see me parting off now, I am going to keep that short. All right, so I am using a guard starting big on my liners because I just don't want to go in there chopping on my hair and I don't know what guards do what as I am cutting my hair. Now these guards are still a little bit too big, so I am going to end up going smaller with the guards, but this right here, I am going to shave it as close as I can down.
Then get up, get dressed. Before work's off my list. What's left to do? Just guess. It's you, my favorite, but I wanna taste you and feel you shake, raising an earthquake. Can't push the brakes when a rush hits. We're going in, we're going in. You keep me biting my cheek, year after year. Only gets better, I'm weak in the knees. We hit the sheets, you on my lips, I'm feeling the heat. That's all I need.
Short. So what I just used was a 5 millimeter. This is a 3.
This number 3 millimeter guard ended up being the perfect guard for my hair. I love how low it got the sides of my hair, and I know from this point out that this is the guard to use when shaving my sides. Okay guys, we are going to keep this moving, and while I am parting off my hair, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so you will not miss my next video. What you see me doing here, I am just going higher up in my hair, and I am going to repeat the same process.
Now, up in here, I am going to just cut it a little shorter. And then I'm just going to shape all my hair, guys. I'm not leaving nothing out. I'm letting y'all see what I do, why I came to the conclusion that I come to. And that way you will be able to keep up with how I do stuff. I want to keep that. It grabbed it a little bit.
Now the front of my hair that you see sticking out, that is the part that I am going to keep, because if I want to design my baby hairs and things like that, I am just going to leave that very front part where I'm holding now. I am going to leave that. But this guard here, it grabbed it just a little, and that's all I needed it to do. Because if I went in with a lower guard, that probably would have took too much hair off. But I'm seeing and learning what guards work where on my head. Now guys, you know also, if you have been watching the videos, you also know that we have different hair products that make our hair look more curlier or more loose. So if you're not really confident with cutting your hair, then go back and look at those videos and just use the different products in different areas of your hair to make it look like you have a haircut. Okay, so now we have gotten our sides perfect. Our sides are perfect, no mistakes were made. And so what I am going to do now is try to clean my hair up with scissors. Now I am going to shape it because I am still allowing some of my hair to catch up with other parts of my hair, and that is fine because you know we already have the products that can make our hair look longer or shorter. But really right here, I am trying to make up my mind on if I want to fade the back. Now right here, I am using a number 6 guard, and I am going to go up and flick out because that hair right there was like humping out too much, and I think I just want that to be just a little lower. And so I see that the number 6 guard is not really grabbing it. And right here, guys, I'm not that confident enough to go in there with a number 5 guard. So I am just going to see if this number 6 guard is going to continue to grab any of the hair on the side. Because, you know, over here, we use the 3 and the number 5 guard over here. So we want to make it longer. But, you know, I just wanted to see if it was going to grab it some. And I did not go all the way through my hair with these clippers. I resorted back to, you know, the clippers, you know, to shape it up. So here I am, and I got the clippers all the way closed so that now I can shape my hair the way I want to shape it. And I'm going to tell you, the end result is absolutely gorgeous. So guys, if you are not confident with cutting your hair, you know, I would say start clipping your ends into a hairstyle little by little, like I have been doing, to get back used to using the scissors and the guards. And I'm telling you, this was foolproof. This right here was foolproof. So if you decide to cut your hair the way that mine is being cut, then maybe you can go back and look at this video and do the same thing that I am doing. Now look, with all of those ends off, look how much thicker my hair is looking. Look how much better shaped it is. And this is what I am going for. So in the future, as I get used to, you know, cutting my hair, this can only get better. And here I am just going back and forth between the scissors and the clippers. And I'm telling you, I love my haircut. I absolutely love my haircut. And it is going to grow more and more fuller through the middle. All through the middle, it's going to get fuller and fuller.
Then get up, get dressed. Before work's off my list. What's left to do, just guess. It's you, my favorite, but I wanna taste you and feel you shake, raising an earthquake. Can't push the brakes when a rush hits. We're going in, we're going in. You keep me biting my cheek, year after year. Only gets better, I'm weak in the knees. We hit the sheets, you on my lips, I'm feeling the heat. That's all I need. When a day's gone, we've only begun. That's the best part. When we get it on, I'm addicted, no denying it. Cause you don't cross my mind, you live in it.
So, like I said, I got up this morning, and enough was enough for me. I have gotten up, I have still clipped my ends pretty much and cut my hair into the style that I want. And it looks better every day, guys. I'm going to stop right there. My camera had stopped on you guys. Look at that. And this is me doing it, learning my tools. Look at that. I don't think I did bad, especially with clipping my ends into the style not sacrificing nothing, and knowing when to stop. Dun, 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 dun. Aloe vera juice and water. We're going to oil our scalp and separate. Okay, so I got the grease in my hair, but I'm still going to put some on here. This is Hawaiian silk, guys. We're going to rub that in. And then we're going to put on some big pop. So this is the way it's looking. Okay. I am loving it, guys. I am loving it. This will give me an idea if I want to go shorter with my hair. But I am loving it like this. I'm not finished. I have to see how it's going to look if I lift it. I know it's not going to dry no more than what it has dried now because of the oil on my hair. It's not going to allow it to dry. Well, guys, that is it. You have reached at It's Regina TV. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching my videos, guys. You are the reason why my channel is growing. And until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another. Leave in the comment section down below anything that you want to know. And I'll talk to you later. Mwah.
Then get up, get dressed, before work's off my list.